Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara, and today I'm coming to you guys with a wig install / review video. I haven't done one in a minute, and yeah, so I'm happy to be back and showing you guys this lovely wig here. Okay, so the wig did not come with the bangs. I did make the bangs, so you guys are going to see how I made these fringe bangs. It's my first time trying it, and I really do like how it came out. Like, it's something different. Like, I never wear bangs. So I was really nervous to try it, but I think it came out pretty good, so I'm happy with it overall. But yes. Okay, so first off, this is what the wig here looks like. In the packaging, it's the ear-to-ear full lace wig from Main Concept Hair. And now I just took it out the box and just showing you what it looks like raw out of the packaging. So as you can see, it has the full lace across the entire front of your forehead, so from ear to ear. There's no parting, so it's free parted, and then it comes with 2 combs on the side, and then it also has a comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps as well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what the hairline of the wig is going to look like. So it's not really plucked. I won't really say that about it at all. I didn't need to pluck it because I'm doing bangs on this wig. So that's why there was no need for me to pluck it. But it does come with tape as well. Excuse that noise. And it just kind of shows you directions on how to apply the tape if you're going to use the tape to install your wig. So for me, I didn't use the tape, but it's there for you if you guys do want to use it. So now I'm kind of just placing the wig on my head and showing you guys how I wanted to lay. So I did use the bald cap method. I do have a previous video showing you guys kind of how I do the bald cap, but I'm just placing it down just to see how it wants to fit. It kind of is a little small for my head. That's one thing I will say about the wig. It fits, like literally just fits. I don't really use the adjustable straps because then it wouldn't come down. I think because I do have a low hairline on the side, so that's like the main issue that I have with wigs. But now I'm just gluing it down. So I did use the bolt hold glue. So I just applied that on, let it dry, get tacky, and then now I'm just gluing it down just because I feel like I'm gonna wear the wig for a few days. And I did wear it for a few days, so that's why I wanted to glue it down and whatnot. But yeah, the wig is fine, but because my hairline's low on the side, I feel like that's where I have an issue. Or I don't know, I think my ear to ear is just really wide. But besides that, it was fine. Like, I didn't really struggle with it too much. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I do these bangs. So basically, I'm starting the part in reference. So kind of I'm taking it from like the arch of my eyebrow all the way across to the other arch of my eyebrow. And I'm kind of going in like a curved type motion here. And then I'm just going to straighten out that part just a little bit so it's not looking too crazy and jagged and whatnot. But yeah, you just want to take it from ear to ear is basically what you're doing, and that's kind of how I wanted my bangs to lie. So once I kind of have the portion of it, I'm just going to go ahead and then split it in 2 and work on cutting it one section at a time. So I'm just going to place one off in like a little rubber band and call it a day, and then start cutting the other side. Okay, so when it comes to cutting, I'm apologizing. I wish I backed out the camera a little bit. But I think you guys can still tell what I'm doing. I'm kind of cutting it in long layers. So first off, I'm using shears. I'm not using kitchen scissors, child scissors, none of that. I am using actual hair shears. So as you see, I'm just cutting in a diagonal, just going down and slowly doing it. I'm just cutting off a little bit at a time each time that I go and I cut it. And basically, I'm just framing it to my face. So I would say start long and then work your way short, because you don't want to start cutting all the way at your forehead and then you just don't like how it lays. So start low, then work your way up, in my opinion, so that you can really frame your face as best as possible and just get the bangs to lay as good as you like. It is too long right here, but I'm just gonna slowly keep cutting diagonally until I get it the way that I want to go. So that side was harder for me to do because it's my non-dominant side. The other side is a little bit easier, but still, like, it is what it is. But to help me cut, I did go in with some foaming mousse from Loda Body, just to make sure that there were no flyaways and whatnot. But again, I'm just kind of going to try to make that side match the other. I'm sorry you can't fully see what I'm doing, but I think you can tell what I'm doing. I'm really just cutting diagonally and just forming my bangs, basically. Just do a little bit at a time. Take your time when doing it. Don't rush, because if you rush, you probably won't like the outcome. So I feel like this part here is crucial. It's more like point cutting that I'm doing now, because with fringe bangs, you don't want it to be like straight across. You want it to have that fringe look, kind of a little bit uneven look. So I'm just going in with the point cutting and just trimming off what needs to be trimmed, just to give it that better look, more realistic look than just a straight like China bang, because I'm not going for that and whatnot. So yeah, just continue to cut as you feel like you need to cut. Go in with the diagonal cutting, do whatever you need to do, just frame it to your face and whatnot. So after I have finished cutting and everything, I do go over it with light heat with my straightener, and then I'll come back and show you guys what my finished look is looking like. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'll cut, layered, straighten, and good to go. So as you guys saw earlier, the wig was super long. So I went and I cut it just because I just didn't want it all the way down to my butt. So I kind of cut it to like the middle of my back area. So it kind of stops like right below my boob, just to make it look more realistic and not look like super wiggy, if you know what I mean, since I do have these bangs going on. But I just went over it with low heat with a flat iron so I can make everything lay down flatter and kind of look more realistic. So this is what it looks like where my bang starts. But yeah, overall I really do like this wig. I like how it came out. This is like my third day wearing it. I kind of wanted to wear it for a few days so you guys can still see what it looks like after a few days of wear, and it does look pretty good. Like, I'm not having issues with tangling or whatnot. So since it is a synthetic wig, you do want to make sure that you brush through it, but as you guys see, it still looks good after 3 days, so I'm really happy about that. And it does take heat, just low heat, remember that. But yeah, it's super pretty. I've gotten a lot of compliments on the wig, so I definitely like it. Being able to try bangs is something different. I was nervous, but I think it came out really well. So yes, I really love the wigs from Main Concept Hair. You guys should definitely check it out, and I'm so glad that they made the free part full lace wig now, so you're able to do so much more with it than having like the standard part and whatnot. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this wig, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you found it helpful or whatnot. And if you guys would like to check it out, I'll definitely leave a link below for you guys to look at all the wigs that Main Concept does have. And yeah, that's pretty much it or whatever. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.